A lot of folks having to clean up after those severe storms moved through our area this morning at daybreak. Our first look at some of the damage with the daylight from McKinney to Parker County and all spots in between. Also some schools out today due to power issues and storm damage. Blue Ridge ISD canceling classes for the full day. Creekview High and Blaylock Middle School and Carrollton Farmers Branch also out today, as is Frisco's Staley Middle School and Rogers Elementary and Memorial High School. A lot of schools also delayed as well, which means that entire morning rush kind of playing out much later this morning than usual. Thank you for joining us this midday. That's a lot. I'm Mark Istook here with our meteorologist Cassie Hyder, and I know you were up early helping track these storms with Greg Fields in the weather department. It was a busy morning. We saw those storms really blow through and leave behind a lot of damage.
They did, and a lot of that was due to wind, and I wouldn't be surprised if we had maybe a couple of very brief spin-ups that took place, but we won't know that until the National Weather Service goes out and actually does their surveys. But they will be doing that in the days ahead, I'm sure, as now the weather's a lot quieter. But we still have a lot of wind to deal with behind the showers and storms that have now moved well off to the east. You can see some far eastern counties in Texas are still seeing a little bit of rain, but that is light to moderate. We're just seeing a lot of clearing coming in behind that. So outside right now, it is beautiful. We have lots of sunshine, but it's windy. And these are all the storm reports from just early this morning. A lot of what you're seeing is going to be the wind reports. We had wind upwards of around 72 miles an hour. That's the highest wind gust that I saw earlier this morning. But we also had a couple of reports of hail, but we only saw nickel-size hail, and it has to be quarter-size hail before you actually get to those severe limits. But it's beautiful outside right now. This is our Fair Park camera. Lots of sunshine, temperatures in the low 60s, but it's windy. The wind advisory encompasses most of North Texas until 9 o'clock this evening. In fact, later today, we could easily see wind gusts approach around 50 miles an hour. Right now, we actually have a wind gust of 48 miles an hour. In Mineral Wells, a 61 right now in Abilene. That's a severe wind gust. A 43 in Graham, a 44 in Granbury. Not as windy yet in the Dallas Metroplex, but that will be changing later on. So we're at 62 right now in Dallas, 63 in Denton, 54 in Fort Worth as we go throughout the afternoon. Temperatures still make it into the mid 60s. We're going to talk about when that wind will subside coming up in just a little bit. Mark.